What do you think happens when you jumpstart a dead drill battery using tools you already have in your garage? Today, I'll show you a simple and practical way to check a weak battery, clean the contacts, and bring it back to working condition. Many older drill batteries stop working, not because the cells are ruined, but because the terminals get dirty or the voltage drops too low for the charger to detect. With a few careful steps, you can wake the battery up, recharge it, and get your drill running again without buying a new pack. This method is safe when done slowly and gives you a real chance to save money while keeping your tools working. If you enjoy fixing things around the house, this is a project you'll want to try. Let's get started. Now we'll start by testing both batteries to see what's really going on. Take a simple LED test wire and touch it to the contacts on the orange battery. The LED lights up right away, which tells you the battery still has usable voltage. Next, touch the same LED wire to the red battery. Nothing happens. This is the first sign that the red pack is either completely drained or not making good contact. To be sure, grab your multimeter and set it to DC volts. Place the probes on the orange battery and you'll see a steady reading on the screen. Now, switch to the red battery and check it the same way. If the screen stays at 0, the pack is too weak for the charger to recognize. This quick test helps you confirm that the problem isn't the drill. It's the battery, and it gives you a clear starting point before moving on to the next step. Tell me where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing the different cities and states you're tuning in from. Next, let's clean the battery terminals. This step looks simple, but it makes a big difference, especially if the contacts are dirty or slightly corroded. Start by spraying a light mist of WD-40 on both metal terminals of the red battery. WD-40 helps loosen oxidation and lifts out any grime that's keeping the current from flowing the way it should. After a few seconds, take a small piece of fine sandpaper and gently scrub each terminal. You don't need to press hard. Just work evenly until the metal looks brighter and smoother. This gives the terminals a clean surface so they can make solid contact again. When you're done sanding, wipe everything with a dry cloth to remove the leftover dust and WD-40. Many older drill batteries fail simply because the terminals aren't conducting well. Cleaning them like this restores the connection and makes the next steps much more effective. It's an easy fix you can do anytime you notice weak performance from your tools. Now we're ready for the step that brings a dead drill battery back to life. To do this, you'll use a fully charged battery to wake up the empty one. It sounds simple, and it is, but you need to connect everything the right way. Take 2 metal keys or another pair of metal pieces you have in your toolbox. These will act as temporary jump links. Hold the charged battery and the dead battery side by side. Touch one key from the positive terminal on the good battery to the positive terminal on the dead one. Then touch the second key from negative to negative. Once you've done that test, the keys with your LED wire. Touch the LED to the keys and you'll see it light up, which tells you the dead battery has taken in enough power to respond. Remove the keys, grab your multimeter, and check the red battery again. This time, you should see a reading on the screen. It won't be high, but it confirms the revival worked. Now place the battery in the charger and let it charge for about 3 hours. This full charge will bring it back to normal use. It's a practical method that saves money and keeps your tools working without buying a replacement. After the battery has charged for about 3 hours, it's time to put it to the test. Slide the red battery back into your drill and grab the same steel bar you tried earlier. This time pull the trigger and you'll feel the difference right away. The drill spins strong and steady, and it cuts into the metal without hesitation. This quick test confirms that the revival worked and the battery is holding power again. It's always satisfying to see a tool come back to life, especially when you restored it yourself. And now, your drill is ready for real work around your home or garage. To get the electrolyte ready, pour some Coke into a small glass bowl. Add a pinch of table salt and give it a quick stir until it dissolves. Then spray a light shot of WD-40 into the mix. This simple blend creates a reactive solution that helps loosen rust and carry current during the cleaning process. It's easy to make and uses things you already have at home. Now it's time to put the restored drill battery to work. Take 2 alligator clips, one with a red lead and one with a blue lead. Clip the blue lead to a small steel screw and clip the red lead to the rusty soldering tip you want to clean. Connect the other ends of the clips to the drill battery. The blue lead goes to the positive terminal and the red lead goes to the negative terminal. Once everything is secure, lower both the screw and the soldering tip into the bowl of Coke salt and WD-40. You'll see small bubbles forming right away. That's the electrolytic cleaning process, breaking down the rust. Let it run for a short moment, then lift the tip out and wipe it clean. The rust comes off with almost no effort because the current and solution did the hard work for you. That's all it takes to bring a dead drill battery back to life and clean up a rusty soldering tip. It's simple, it works, and it saves you money. If you enjoy practical fixes like this, you're in the right place. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from and what tools you'd like to see revived next. Make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss a new idea.